Barney is a dinosaur that we see when we're rolling. And when he's tall, he's what we call a hallucination. Barney's friends are big and tall, they are also humans. After school they meet to play cause he has no other friends. Barney chose lots of things like having pray pretend. ABCs he does not know, but he is just with us. Barney comes to play with us cause he has no other friends. Barney can be your friend too, he's super desperate for some.
They're vain, their nasty traits, driving fast and bringing pain, beating bad dudes black and blue. They're the really fearsome crew, all with different scary feats. Bunch of them grind you like meat, down low and up above. Thomas and his bros. Thomas,
he's a scary one.
Jay,
his veins not filled with blood.
Percy,
Calls his enemies.
Gordon,
Thunders shake your knees.
Emily,
Really knows the works.
Henry,
Pummels nasty jerks.
Edward,
Gives your mama scared.
Toby.
Well, let's say he's square.
They're mean, they're vain, they're nasty traits, driving fast and bringing pain, beating bad dudes black and blue. They're the really fearsome crew, all with different scary feats. Bunch of them grind you like me, down below. Thomas had his.
Yo. Ha 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 ha.